Some of the features of Abhishek coaching classes which are available here but are not available anywhere on this globe are as follows. Classes are conducted by highly qualified and experienced faculty members and IT professionals from all over India and abroad, so that we get a good knowledge of real life, real world scenarios, as well as latest technologies which are used across different geographical locations, which also help us to enhance our knowledge and practical skills. The classes conducted by foreign teachers, they help us to groom ourselves for an international workspace, so that we can prepare ourselves in a much better and comparative fashion in today's era of globalization. If somehow a student is absent and misses a class, then the recordings of that class are given to the student so that he or she can go back and listen to the recordings over and over again, as a result of which the study is not affected. This is done to assist the student in every sense possible.
Online classes are the best and suits well for someone with a tight schedule who definitely has other duties to perform rather than just going for classes. Classes conducted here paves a path for those who are not able to study properly due to their jobs.
Here at ABHISHEK Coaching, we overcome many challenges with the help and support of our highly qualified and experienced teachers from the different states of India and abroad. So don't waste your time. Join online classes here to enhance your knowledge and skills to boost your career and future.